uh, just open the website, typing the URL markanday.com, and then for collecting the URLs we require a plugin. Okay, so let's go to the extension and manage extension, and then go to web store. Okay, here we are going to search a plugin name like open list. It's a bulk open URL. So let's see. It's open. Okay, bulk open URL. Okay, so we have to add this plugin into our Chrome so that we can collect all URL that we have opened into the tabs. So let's wait for this plugin, then we can proceed. Okay, add extension, and now done. It is added. You can plug it to make it visible always. Okay, then just go back to your website and find or select any one of your collection. So as of now I'm selecting rugs. So now you can see that this is the page nation here. So we are going to collect URL one by one page. Just keep pressing your control and click on all product image. Okay, so it will open every product into the new tab. So when we click on any link or any photos with control, so it open in new tab always. So like this. Okay, let's do it. So here you can see I have opened all product which is available on page 1. Okay, now what to do, just go to the plugin. Okay, and you can see it's still processing, but you can have all URLs here. Just copy these URLs, press Ctrl plus C or Command plus C. You can copy it. Just as of now I am going to place these URL into the notepad only, so that I can show you that how it will gonna look like. You may paste these URL into your doc according to your preference. Okay, into Google Sheet or Excel whenever you want. So as of now I'm pasting it here. So now you can see all URLs are into the list. So we have the list of the rugs only. Okay, which is available on page 1. So now we have to repeat the same process again and again. Then we can collect all URLs, and by pressing. Okay, hope you got it. Now if you want to close all tabs, just right click and click close tabs to the right, and here you can see it's open. Now we can go to the next page. It's page 2, and now we can open as we did previously. Okay, and then you can copy and paste. You just have to repeat this process. With the help of this process we can fetch all products which is available.